welcome back to the channel. Today I bought a DJI mic for all my future in-person videos. I guess I needed a mic to record out and about, or if I'm just like, you know, doing something in my room, I want to be able to attach a mic to myself. I'm going to be opening it up for you guys. It's pretty nice, to be honest. I moved the keyboard back a little bit. Yeah, let's crack open this bad boy. This mic, supposedly, like, the internal recording is supposedly really good, so that will be really useful. Here's the item list. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, you can get, like, you have a bunch of stuff in the box, your charging case and whatever. Okay, let's take this apart. What is in here? I assume this is all the extras. So this is the pouch that they give you, because there's a couple things that you get in here outside of the mics. Aux cable, the fluff mics, fluff filters, whatever they're called, you can add them on top of the mics. I think you get two of them actually. Yeah, here. So you get these two. You get this USB to USB-C. I'm assuming this is the charging cable for the actual charging case, and you get just a bunch of manuals and stuff. But the pouch is kind of nice. It's like I don't know how to describe the whole quality of this. Like it's like it's stitched, but with like this material. I don't know how to describe it, but it's stitching. It's stitching. It should be fine. And here's the actual mic. Look at that. The case is really robust. Something that like is really good about DJI is it gives you a full case, and you don't have to do something, you don't have to buy something else, because there is a Rode one for the Rode wireless, but when you buy it originally, you have to plug in each one individually, where this, you don't have to. Let's open this bad boy. Oh, let's see if I can do it. Lean over a bit. Oh, so these are that's the charging value on there. Inside you can also see that there's a value on there that you can see the charging. It's super sick. Let's take that out. Oh, you can choose your language as well. That's really nice. Here's the two mics. I don't know if this is gonna record properly or not. I don't know how well this microphone is gonna work. I guess we can test it. You wanna test it now? Let's see. I'll plug this into my phone. Give me a second. So this mic, you can kind of see the volume bar. So if I put it really close, you can hear it peak, but then I can put it far away. You can't really. I've put it behind the monitor. You can't really tell either. See, it doesn't appear. So if I record this now, let me attach this to myself. Cool. So let's try this out. If I record like this, how does that audio sound? Is it okay? I hope it sounds all right. Yeah. My voice is a bit deeper, if you can tell. I'm a bit, I lost my voice, so it sounds a bit deeper. But here's the audio from my Blue Yeti. Here's the audio from the DJI mic. I heard the mic from here sounds a bit neutral, and you have to change it up in Premiere, but that's very easy to do. But we'll see how it sounds. Now let's plug this whole thing back in. So I can slide the mic straight in. Now it's picking it up on both actually. Let me see if I can just turn it off. It buzzes. It buzzes when it turns off. This was pretty hard to take out. Yeah, you have to really force this out. And then you can slide that right in. I love that it's just all compact in there. It's so nice. You can see the charging port. You just place that back in right there. Everything's charging. Everything's good to go. Close that. And now everything goes in this box. Sorry, in the pouch. And there you have it. Now you have the pouch and the DJI mic all ready to go. And you can even fit this. I think you can fit this inside the pouch. Oh, you can a little bit, but I think it's just a bit easier if you keep it aside. And then if you keep that separate, it's better. So yeah, that's my DJI mic. Let me know if you have one. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. But yeah, cool. So this might seem weird, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this right here and slowly walk away. But you can still hear me clearly, hopefully. And especially if I stand right here, you can hear me clearly, hopefully. It's pretty cool. Nice. And it has like a huge range. So in case I decide to leave the camera and sprint away, this will be useful.